Well, say hello to my little friend. Let's have a quick look and find out what this DJI Osmo Pocket is all about. Hi there, MC here for Steel Falcons Gaming, back from a long layoff of vlogging and back with another video. So I have been very busy at work and also very busy at the home front, but I haven't been idle and I have been thinking of ways to improve my vlog. So this DJI Osmo Pocket should help me improve in a couple of areas. The first one would be image stabilization, and the next one would be having a nice portable gadget that I can bring with me all the time so that I can shoot photos or videos whenever there's a need. So the day I got this Osmo Pocket, I immediately opened it up when I got home. So there's no unboxing right now, but I somehow was able to film me opening this box up. So for those of you who would love their unboxing porn, here's my unboxing of the DJI Osmo Pocket. See you back in a bit. And welcome back. So that video was shot in the dark, so I'll just go through the contents once again. So you have the quick start guide and the user manual. I don't know which is which. We have a lightning connector for those of you who use iPhones, or this can also connect to an iPod Touch, which is the thing that I have. And then for Android, we have a USB Type-C connector. So there's no micro USB connector for this one. And then you have the charging cable. One end is a USB, standard USB connector, and then a USB Type-C here, which connects to the Osmo Pocket itself. And then it comes with a carrying case and the drawstring that you can connect to the carrying case, and of course you get the DJI Osmo Pocket itself. Let's turn this thing on, and there you go. So that's it. That's what you get with the DJI Osmo Pocket. So this thing is still fairly new to me, so I can't talk about the features yet, but hang on and take a look at the videos and the photos that I took for the first couple of days. And that's my quick look at the DJI Osmo Pocket. I will take this on a trip with me, and hopefully in a couple of weeks I will be able to give you a decent review. So that's it. Please click like and subscribe and tune in once again here in Steel Falcons Gaming. MC here, signing off. Peace. It still feels kind of weird to be filming this using a GoPro.